Hey, this is Dan from The Conscious Builder. Today we're going to give you a tour of our renovation in Nepean. So, the main part of our renovation here is upstairs. We started off with this room over here, which originally there was an addition added on above the garage over here into one big room. So what we did is we split the room in two by putting a wall down the center, as well as making closets here in the back corner there for the pack systems, the IKEA pack systems, and as well as the closet over there. And we also came into this room here, which was split into a closet and two separate rooms. And we removed the wall from down the middle, and we removed the back side of the closet here to make a big study area for the homeowner. It's pretty much the gist of that. We have a little bit of electrical, a little bit of HVAC to do here, but other than that, it's pretty straightforward. The other part of the renovation here is the small bathroom. We're starting off by just removing all the old fixtures, old tile, old drywall, old vanity, and we're just going to replace it with all new stuff. We're also going to be tying in the plumbing into this room here, which is going to become the new master ensuite. It was originally just a bedroom, but we removed the closet, we removed the flooring. We're going to do the plumbing, and we're going to tie into this one, and we're also going to frame a second wall here so that we have easy access to run any plumbing, electrical, or anything we need. Other than that, it's pretty much the gist of it, and can't wait for you guys to come back and see when it's done.